Today, Malaysia is progressing faster than ever in the country's history. The country's need for exceptional talent has never been greater. And as this need increases, so does the prospects for our new rising talents. To channel scholars into both the public and private sectors, we have introduced two new exciting programs: the Talent Acceleration in the Public Service and Scholarship Talent Attraction and Retention Program. Both programs work to enable them to serve out their bonds by contributing to the nation's future. TAPS is a collaboration between the Public Service Department and the Razak School of Government. Top JPA scholars are seen as future leaders, and TAPS aims to identify, source and nurture these young talents into highly motivated public service officers through a 2-year apprenticeship program. During this program, TAPS will build on the scholars' passion for public service by placing them at various ministries and agencies under the guidance of senior public service mentors and provide them with the opportunity to work on specific public service projects. STAR is a public-private partnership between the government, Talent Corp and leading companies that ensure the nation's investment into young talent. The program enables the optimization of both JPA and MARA scholars while they fulfill their obligations. At the same time, STAR provides scholars with a platform to create professional and social networks, as well as to enhance their professional experience. The TAPS and STAR programs benefit everyone: scholars, employers and the nation. Employers get the chance to hire the brightest minds and select from a multiple tracks of skill sets, while scholars get the opportunity to develop careers by working with some of the best Malaysian employers and to be a fundamental part of Malaysia's transformation story. These programs recognise the immense talent within the Malaysian youth. TAPS and STAR aim to encourage the contribution of every sponsored scholar to Malaysia through participation in the development of the nation. To learn more about the TAPS and STAR programs, visit rsog.com.my or star.talentcorp.com.my and prepare for your brilliant career. Talent Corp, focused on optimizing Malaysian talents.